In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose the right Smartsheet pricing plan. To get started, open the Smartsheet pricing page in your browser. This is the best place to review the most current plan details, since pricing and included features can change over time. Once the page loads, take a moment to scan the layout so you can see how the plans are organized. Most pricing pages are designed to help you compare options side by side, which makes it easier to understand the differences at a glance. Next, review the available plans carefully. As you look through them, pay attention to how each option is positioned. Usually, there will be plans intended for individuals, small teams, and larger organizations. The goal here is not to choose immediately, but to understand what each plan is meant for and what level of work it supports. After that, compare monthly billing with yearly billing. This is an important step because the lower monthly looking price is often based on annual billing. If you switch between monthly and yearly views, you can usually see how much you would pay depending on your preference. Yearly billing may save money over time, while monthly billing can offer more flexibility if you are still testing the platform or only need it for a shorter period. Then, check the features included in each plan. Don't just focus on the price. A cheaper plan may seem attractive at first, but it may not include the tools your team actually needs. Look closely at what is available in each package so you can avoid paying for features you won't use or missing ones that are essential to your workflow. As you compare, pay special attention to user limits, dashboards, reports, automations, and integrations. These areas often make the biggest difference in day-to-day use. User limits help you understand how many people can actively work in the account. Dashboards and reports are useful for visibility and tracking progress. Automations can save time by reducing repetitive work. Integrations matter if you need Smartsheet to connect with other tools your team already uses. Next, calculate the cost based on how many users you need. This step is especially important for teams because the total cost can increase quickly depending on the plan structure. Be sure to match the number of users you expect to have now, and keep future growth in mind if your team may expand soon. Finally, choose the plan that best matches your budget and workflow. The right option is the one that gives you the features you need at a price that makes sense for your team, without overpaying for extras you may never use.